Hey there, how's your sales and inbound marketing journey going on? Today, we are going to talk about how you can create a sales pipeline and deal stages inside HubSpot. Firstly, inside your HubSpot dashboard, click on the settings icon. Once you are inside the settings, go to objects on the left and click on deals. And here you can either select a pipeline or you can create a new pipeline. So if I create a new pipeline, you can name it. And once the new pipeline is created, there are different stages here. And the stages have a deal probability on the right hand side, which tells you that if a certain stage is completed, how much is the probability of the deal being completed. You can also click on the automate section in order to enable automation for your particular pipeline. For example, you can create a workflow when somebody becomes qualified to buy. You can create a different workflow when a deal reaches contract sent stage. So these are the different stages and you can create different workflows according to that in the automate section. In the deal tags section, you can set up different deal tags which will let you know at a glance at what stage your particular deal is, or maybe it's close to some degree of completion or not. Now, if you want to create a deal stage inside your pipeline, just go to your particular pipeline in the configure option, click on add stage, and you can type in the stage name. For example, we have a stage called as got phone number, and maybe this is something which will allow you to close the deal very nicely. So we assign it a 50% probability. And then when the new stage is added, just click on save. And you can also customize these deal stages, put them wherever you want to show them in your respective tables. Then finally click on save, and all of this is done. And if you want to see how it looks like, click on sales, click on deals, and you would be able to see all of the pipelines over here. Click on the bias pipeline which we just created, and here you can see all of the views. And here you can see view your deals on board. And here we can see the different stages of our deal. And right now, none of these stages have any leads. So that's why everything is on 0. I hope it does not remain 0 at your end. So guys, I hope this was insightful and informative, and it will assist you and your salespeople in their sales journey. And in case you have any trouble, feel free to reach out to us via the QR code on the screen in front of you, or you can also leave a comment down below and we will reach out to you in no time. And I'll see you guys soon in the next video.